Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable YouTube Shorts. So in order to disable YouTube Shorts, what you can simply do is using my method. So what you can do is you want to go till you find on your homepage, so you find like this Shorts feeds right here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on those small three dots in the top right corner of the short, just like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on not interested. So what this will do, this will literally just tell YouTube that you're not interested in shorts. And now I can see that I removed those 4 shorts, and if I refresh my homepage, we can see that literally all shorts are currently gone. However, if you do decide to stumble upon some more shorts, you can just simply click on not interested, and this will give YouTube an indication that you don't want to watch shorts, and they will not recommend you any more shorts. So that's how you can disable shorts over on YouTube. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.